Welcome to our channel. When your car is totaled after an accident, understanding the claims process helps you get fair compensation. Follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your settlement. Step 1. Understand what total loss means. Insurers declare a vehicle totaled when repair costs exceed a percentage of its value, typically 70 to 80%. Step 2. Remove all personal belongings from your vehicle before the insurance company takes possession. Check the trunk, glove box, and any storage compartments thoroughly. Step 3. Research your vehicle's actual cash value using resources like Kelley Blue Book, NADA guides, and recent sales of comparable vehicles in your area. Step 4. Review the insurer's valuation report carefully. Check that they use the correct mileage, condition, options, and comparable vehicles when determining your car's value. Step 5. Document your vehicle's condition and any upgrades or special features with photos and receipts. Aftermarket improvements and excellent maintenance can increase its value. Step 6. Negotiate if you disagree with the settlement offer. Provide evidence of your vehicle's higher value in comparable sales listings and documented improvements. Step 7. Understand gap insurance if you owe more on your car than its value. This coverage pays the difference between the settlement and your loan balance. Step 8. Decide whether to accept the settlement or keep the salvage. Sometimes you can keep the totaled vehicle and receive a reduced settlement, though this typically only makes sense for repairable vehicles. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.